Now we will discuss about the topic image segmentation, enhancement and edge detection. Digital image processing plays more important role in various fields. The people belongs to many fields are effectively utilizing the applications of digital image processing. By making process on digital images or analyzing an images, we can extract more information rather than the raw image. Since there are wide range of differences between human perception and scientific approach of an image. For example, we can, by making the image process, the low level information or micro level information or the hidden features can be extracted. In that point of view, digital image processing is needed and useful for the people in the many fields. For example, especially for the people belongs to medical fields are effectively utilizing the applications of image processing. For example, telemedicine, teleradiology and some other compression techniques are also used in database administration. Applications of digital image processing plays vital role in the fields such as education, law and justice, decision making, that is video conferencing, medical fields, telemedicine, digital camera and VCR, color printing and copying, home television theater, defense, news and current affairs, multimedia mail, remote sensing via satellite, textile industry and image facsimile transmission. The people belongs to these fields are effectively utilizing the applications of digital image processing. Especially, image processing is very useful for the people in the medical field, namely telemedicine, teleradiology, and the image compression technique is very helpful to store number of images with a minimum of storage space. For instance, Raja Muttaya Medical College Hospital of Annamalai University consists of about 1500 beds. It can generate approximately 10 gigabytes per day, that is 2.5 terabytes per year if it becomes totally filmless. And also it can speed up the process. Computerized hospitals can save cost and it can take better patient care. Nowadays, it become clinically acceptable and economically affordable. Now you are watching the live functions of blood purification in the heart of a patient. By making the appropriate image processing on these images, we can identify the very minute and weak parts of the tubes through which the blood circulating. For example, now you are viewing the sharpened and smoothened and colored images. The image shows the functions of valves in the heart. From these images, we can gather the information related to heart. Generally, image processing can be classified as two different types. One is textured images and another one is untextured images. Image processing can be classified broadly as image representation, image restoration, image segmentation, image enhancement, edge detection and transformations. In this session, we will see image segmentation, edge detection and image enhancement. Now we will discuss about image segmentation. Image segmentation means segmenting the or segregating the different parts available in the images or delineating the images. Image segmentation. Image segmentation involves identifying the different structures and delineating their region. Image segmentation is a long-standing problem in computer vision. Often it is viewed as an ill-defined problem in comparison to other vision tasks which have apparently well-defined objectives such as detection, recognition and tracking. Unfortunately, without addressing segmentation problems, those special purpose vision tasks are fundamentally ill-defined. It is fair to say that computer vision or image understanding is all about parsing images. The confusion in defining image segmentation and also perceptual grouping simply reflect the following two facts. First one, it is difficult to model all types of stochastic patterns in generic vision. That is, real world images consist of multiple layers of stochastic process such as texture, stochastic point, line, curve, graph, region and object processes, which generate images through spatial organizations. Thus, an appropriate formulation should be image decomposition or parsing, which decomposes an image into its natural constituents as various stochastic process. This subsumes image segmentation as region process and naturally integrates object recognition and perceptual organization. The second one, image segmentation is a computational process and should not be treated as a task. That is, real images are intrinsically ambiguous and our perception changes dynamically even in a very short time duration depending on our attention. Generally speaking, the more one looks at an image, the more one sees. It seems narrow-minded to think that a segmentation algorithm just outputs one final result. Natural images consist of an overwhelming number of visual patterns generated by very diverse stochastic process in nature. The objective of image understanding is to parse an input image into its constituent patterns. The figure you are viewing is an example of parsing a stadium scene hierarchically. The topmost image is a stadium scene. The next levels to the top are segmented parts of the stadium scenes: human, face and clothes, sports field, a point process, a curve process, homogeneous color regions and text, spectators, textures, persons. This diagram depicts one of the segmentation techniques, namely integrating generative method with discriminative methods. Edge detection is a fundamental one for image processing, such as image segmentation, image classification, image pattern recognition, pattern matching and boundary detection. Edge detection means abrupt changes in the intensity values in an digital image. Application domain of edge detection. For instance, military applications exist for automatically finding potential targets within natural scenes. The goal of automatic target recognition is to provide automatic target detection and classification without the use of humans. The problem is made difficult due to the potential for obscured targets and varying observer distances and angles. In addition, the goal is to identify if a target exists within an image while operating on almost any type and amount of natural features with varying natural conditions. Images for target analysis can be captured in a variety of ways, including by infrared equipment. Infrared images capture the relative temperature of the objects within the scene. Typically, a simple method of identifying targets is via their thermal signature. There are various enhancement techniques are available: image crispening, sharpening, image negatives. Image enhancement refers to sharpening of image features such as edges, boundaries or contrast to make a graphic display more useful for display and analysis. It does not increase the inherent information content in the data, but it does increase the dynamic range of the chosen features so that they can be detected easily. Image enhancement can be done in two different domains. One is spatial domain and another one is frequency domain. Spatial domain. The term spatial domain refers to the image plane itself, and approaches in this category are based on direct manipulation of pixels in an image. Frequency domain. Frequency domain processing techniques are based on modifying the Fourier transform of an image. In spatial domains, we can carry out various types of digital image processing technique. Point processing and mask processing. In point processing, basic Gray level transformations, piecewise linear transformation, histogram processing techniques are available. In basic Gray level transformations, we can make negatives of an image and contrast. In piecewise linear transformation, we can make Gray level slicing techniques and edge enhancement techniques. In histogram processing technique, we can use two different histogram techniques. One is histogram equalization and another one is histogram matching. In basic Gray level transformation, image negative. Image negative refers negatives of digital images are useful in numerous applications such as displaying medical images and some space pictures captured by satellites. The negative of digital image is obtained by using the transformations. Next one, log transformation. By making the log transformations, we can extract a particular portion of the image. Power law transformation. By making the power law transformations, we also can extract some part of the image. Next one, piecewise linear transformation. In piecewise linear transformations, there are various techniques are available. Now let us see contrast stretching. Low contrast images can result from poor illumination, lack of dynamic range in the imaging sensor, or wrong setting of a lens aperture during image acquisition. Contrast stretching can be carried out using the following transformation or technique. Contrast stretching is nothing but increasing the gray levels in the image being processed. Next one, gray level slicing. Display a high value for all gray levels in the range of interest and a low value for all other gray level is called gray level slicing. The gray level slicing can be maintained by retains the desired range of gray levels but preserve the background. Another one, the application include enhancing features such as masses of water in satellite imagery and enhancing flares in X-ray images. These are applications of gray level slicing.